Ever wonder what goes into a tiny tube of paint? Paint makers talk a lot about pigments and other raw materials, but bringing out the best in those materials involves a lot of human skill and physical effort, even when machines are involved. In most professional paintmaking scenarios, pigments arrive as powders. The goal of mixing and milling, or in the case of handmade paint, mulling, is dispersion, making sure every individual particle is evenly surrounded by the fluid vehicle. In a factory, pigments are pre-mixed and ground on a 3-roll mill. 3 rollers rotating in opposite directions spread and grind the paint. The distance between them is adjustable based on the grind's fineness, impacting the paint's tinting strength. The rollers are cooled on the inside with water to hold the paint at a safe temperature. The paint is then scraped off and tested for fineness, viscosity, and other key attributes, and then the process is repeated until the colors conform to the standard. Hand-mulling replicates this process, but with limitations. The strongest artisan can only achieve a few dozen revolutions per minute, potentially leaving undispersed pigment clusters. Even if they're too small to see, they detract from the paint's full potential. Bottom line, no matter how it's made, paint comes down to more than just its raw materials. Each drop reflects the standards, philosophy, and craftsmanship of its maker. Quality is just as valuable as any single ingredient.